Hey guys, welcome to another video of Tech Lab. You guys know I have been waiting for a long time to buy one of these devices. You guys already know I don't have much money and I don't have much money. I just wanted to clear that. For that reason, I was unable to buy traditional capture cards which are available in the market with a higher price. I was strictly relying on OBS and its NDI plugin features. But they have a lot of limitations. To use OBS and NDI, you have to have two computers, one for gaming or doing work and other for capturing the screen. But it wasn't a good solution. If the capture computer decided to act up, which it sometimes did, I lost all the footage of that session and I had to start from the beginning. If you followed me on Twitch, which is BrokeGamer4, you guys know how often it happened. OBS only works when you are on a computer and turn on OBS on both host and capture computer. You can also capture on the same PC you are working on, but it will suffer performance loss of about 30 to 50% because I don't have a powerful computer. But when you use NDI plugin, the performance drop reduces to 10 to 20% depending on the resolution and bitrate. But it's still a loss of valuable performance which you will definitely feel while gaming. And OBS capture doesn't work if you want to capture your computer BIOS and other non-supported operating systems. And if you want to capture your game console, you're totally out of luck. Even though Camlink requires another PC to capture the footage, it does not reduce performance of the host computer, which is great, but it's very expensive for me. So I have been looking through the internet for an alternative to Camlink and I found this one. It's a Chinese USB 3.0 capture card which has 1080p input and 1080p 60 output. Can also capture at the same time. It costs around 600 taka including shipping from China in daras.com.bd, which is around $7 to $8. Without wasting any time, I bought it. It took almost a month to get the parcel in my doorstep and it feels awesome. When we get a parcel from overseas, we always think we might get screwed up and won't get what we paid for. It's not always the case, but we can't throw out the possibility of getting screwed up. So be careful while ordering stuff from overseas. Look for the reviews. If they don't have reviews, like this USB 3.0 capture card, then order and cross your fingers. I'm going to use my trusty kitchen knife that you guys have seen many times in this channel. Let's do it. Let's unbox this. I'm going to cut open it from this side. I'm very confused. DVI, Type-C, SPD, SCR, SDI, coaxial, HDMI, USB audio. What the hell is this thing? Seriously. Okay. Yes. Oh. Okay. It's a good start. We got a USB cable. It's almost 2 feet long, USB 3.0 cable, and it has HDMI in. So here you input your PC HDMI cable, and from here you will get HDMI signal output. It's very straightforward, and when you turn it on, you will see this red light start blinking. So our unboxing is done. As our unboxing is done, I am going to connect this Android TV box with this capture card with a HDMI cable and capture its screen in my computer with OBS. You have seen this Android TV box in my other video. I have made an arcade gaming machine with this Android TV box. If you want to check it out, you can click right here. Let's connect this Android TV box with this capture card. A simple HDMI cable. Then plug into HDMI in, and I forgot to tell you guys, you can use an additional microphone with this capture card. You can see it from here. So I'm going to plug into HDMI in. It's in. Now let's turn on the Android TV box. I'm also going to connect this USB Xbox 360 controller to the Android TV box to play some retro games. Okay, it's connected. Now let's turn on OBS, and from here you guys can see it's capturing my screen. I'm going to start recording. Now let's add another scene to capture this device. Now I'm going to add a scene, then give it a name, USB 3 capture card. Okay, now let's add the capture card. Press add. You don't have to install any additional drivers for this device, it's just plug and play. So click the plus button and go video capture device. Now press OK, and you guys can see ever USB video device. Select it, and we are going to select some additional options from here. Resolution and FPS. I'm going to select custom and then select the resolution 1920 1080. Then match output FPS. I'm going to select 60 FPS. Video format, I'm going to select MJPG. Color space, I'm going to select 709. Color range, I'm going to select full. Buffering, I'm going to keep it to auto detect. Now capture audio only, I'm not going to change it. Press OK. Now you guys can see it's capturing my device, and it's very simple. Now let's play some games from this Android TV box. As you guys can see, I don't have any secondary display, so I'm going to play this game through OBS, and we are going to notice the latency here. So it's a good thing. Now let's open a game, shall we? There is not much noticeable lag. I'm going to play. Okay, which game should I play? Okay, let's play Metal Slug. Let's play Metal Slug or Mustafa. I'm going to play Mustafa. It's turning on, and it's on. For some reason my controller is oh. Why my coins is not working? Other controls is working. Okay. It's really enjoyable. Let's go, Jack. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to nade you. Whoa, I'm dead. Let's go, Jack. Let's go. Don't die. Don't die on me. Is that a gum? Oh, I'm coming back. Jack is back. I'm going to eat the gum. And bazooka! Bazooka! Woohoo! 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 We just won. And I had to die twice. So guys, that was the review of this USB 3.0 capture card. It can output 1080p 60 fps videos and it's looking quite good. There is no color fringing going around, there is no noticeable lag, and you guys can happily play your console games through OBS like me. There is no noticeable input lag. There is a little, but it's not going to be noticeable. If you play first-person shooter games or online games, it will become an issue. But if you want to play these kind of arcade games or single player games, then you are good to go. So guys, if you want to buy this USB 3.0 capture card, go ahead. It's worth every penny and I totally recommend it. The purchase link will be given in the description below. Guys, that is all for today. If you dislike this video, you know what to do. But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed and ring the bell icon. See you guys in the next one.